Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair a new controller for your Xbox Series X. Now this is really easy to do. So here's my new controller. I'm going to press the Xbox button right here and then turn on my controller. Then go to your Xbox Series X and then locate the sync button down here by the USB port. Then locate the sync button on the controller itself and then hold down both those sync buttons at the same time. And then you'll notice the lights will begin to blink on the console and then on the controller. Hold down the sync buttons for about 3 to 5 seconds and then let go. And you'll notice both these lights will become synced together, indicating that our controller is connected to our Xbox Series X now. And then you should be able to choose a profile and log in. Now if you're having difficulties connecting wirelessly, plug the controller in with the USB cable that came along with it. Plug the other end into the controller, then press the Xbox button, and you should be able to connect now. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.